Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over my account with Notion, and this is my first week using Notion. So the first screen that you see here is going to be just my account setup page, and I just started with this basically because this is just showing you what my name is. My URL is going to be www.notion.so/dream, achieve, and repeat. Let's take a look and see how I actually have this set up, and we are actually going to be going over my favorite section and just overview of how my setup actually looks on my account. Okay, so we can go ahead and get started here. I've clicked on my personal homepage, and you can see here on the left-hand side that I have listed out personal home, and under the personal home section, you can see I have a movie list page, a book reading list page, travel plans, and some to-do lists. So this shopping list here is for a food shopping list. So when you're going food grocery shopping and you just want to have somewhere to reference all of those things that you get frequently, these are the items that I put here. I will not be going over my personal pages, but if we have time in the video, I will be changing the cover here, just changing it to something that I would like to see every day when I open up my account. And so this is the main reason that I've done this video, or basically one of the reasons that I have chosen to do a video like this, is to help other homeschool moms or homeschool parents out there that are looking for an alternative in planning or somewhere to house your to-do list and things like that. So the folders or the sections that I have listed here are tasks and assignments, vacation calendar, and curriculum. So all of these can drop down. This task and assignments, you can look at the assignments by the status, like if you have completed it already or if it still needs to be completed. You can look at the board or this list by who's it's assigned to. So if you have more than one child, you can see that, okay, this is assigned to this child and then this one is assigned to the other. And I think those are both referenced here. So these are just some placeholders for the things that we're going to be putting in there. So for example, instead of engineering, it could be math. Instead of design, it could be science, and so on. So basically what you do is you pick the category here. You can even change the name to say draft instead of what it was previously. You can say in progress and then completed. You can also change the background color like I just did by clicking on this little three dots here, and you can also hide one of the columns. So if you don't want to see all the ones that are in a certain category, then you can just hide that, and then the hidden columns will be over there, and if you want to show it, you would just click that show button. So going over here to vacation calendar. So vacation calendar for me is going to be, and for our home, is going to be when my husband is actually on vacation. So my husband actually picks most of his vacation at the beginning of the year, so it's a benefit to us that we can just show that information in here. But as you can see, if you have things that are completed or things that you have scheduled, it shows you that also in the calendar. And I know that there's a way that you could not show these things, but for right now, like I said, this is only my first week into using this app. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to just show the vacations only. Next up is going to be curriculum. So this curriculum is set up into pages. And so this is a good opportunity for me to go ahead and show you some of the things that can be added to personalize each page. So you can add a emoji here. You can go ahead and add that emoji to the category or to the topic of what you're dealing with. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and pick a flower, and you can do the same thing for each of these pages, each of these page icons. You can change them out as well. Okay, so under basics, basics is probably where I'm going to have going to rename the basics folder as cheat sheets. So you know those sheets that we get for formulas, like math formulas and things like that. So I'm going to place those here. So I just moved the homeschool section to favorites just so that I can show you how it works, but I may or may not leave that there. Under the workspace section, some of these are templates that were included when I signed up for my account, and they just were over here on this on the side, and I changed some of the icons and I left some of them the same. That's going to be it for this video, and so make sure you go ahead and come back to part 2 of this video, and that's going to be going over how I set up the blog section and the YouTube section of my account. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.